panibagong rides na naman. Pupunta tayo sa Narsagaray, Bulacan. Punta natin doon ay Paramo River. Ang lamig! Mambon! Wow! Tayo sa Sepet.
Late nights on the sofa, watching a soap opera. I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy.
Ha? Okay. Baba ka muna para makaano ako. Wait.
Come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. The things you're doing to me, it's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across as right, but I'm ready.
Oo.
May kasama po kayo.
Laika po.
Ay, ako po.
Baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and
Ayoko na maulit to. 5 minutes na lang. 1 hour and 5 minutes na lang.
Kaya pa guys.
Ano ba yan? Ate, gulong! Kuya, kamusta yung mga palay natin?
Teleport boy, ganito ka boy oh.
Mas kamukha ni George.
Gulong-gulong ka dyan.
Kuya Kim. Ta? Follow my fingers. Mule.
Damn, may jingle bell siya. Wait lang, ayoko yung ano. May naamon. Yung aura ng ano. Makabal na sila dyan.
Di ko na kailangan magpahilot ng paa eh. Bawat angle nakukuha eh.
Kung big. Pokariswa.
Go Ion, Pokariswa.
Nagte-telecommunicate ang mga unggoy. Diyan lang sa harap. Yo, break in sun, break.
Kailan nandito na sir?
Ligo ano yung preno?
May kinanay ko.
Wala signal dito. Tingnan mo.
Picture lang.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see it. Brighter day.
Brain ka, doggy ah.
Langon tayo doon.
Magaling speaker na yun. Festival ba yun?
Ulit daw. Aray ko, tangan nyo. Ay, tangan nyo.
right here and hold my heart. You walk out the door, yeah. Made a promise to myself, repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free.
Madali mo naman, sabay-sabay na naman, bigyan na natin. Dali na tatlong photo. Try natin pero kung ilang photo makasya. Para mabilis na. Yung malilis na lang yung photo, saka natin ulit. Tapos tayo ba? Paso, kapila. Kapila, kabala niyan. Sakay na po agad para sa mga ano tayo. Sige, Benny, asin mo yung pagsakay. Para marami tayo mailaman. Pagkasya yung main dosi dyan. Para dalawang grupo sa balsa.
Kamusta kayo mga na-rescue? Ano sir? Naku, grabe. Naku, tapos bata pa yung nasa gilid ng bahay. Para pag nag-gilid, diba kuha lahat? Oh. Oh, hawak na. Saan na?
Tangin na eh. Gamitin mo yung na-training mo.
Training mo, tagal-tagal na nun. Inhale. Ano?
Bababa na ako.
Treyolo.
Lasang kapit ko sa ano, sa hawakan, no?
Hoy! Ikaw! Sitay! Yo! Yo!
Malon ako. Ay na, nag-record. G. 2, 3, go! Go anak! Ah, puta! Itik ka mga 3 seconds, sabay talon na nakapikit. Yan! Hala! Tagaan yung battery ko! Putang inang yan! May patay! Bang! Hala! Ako rin!
Tanga, Chris, upo ang
Oy, stay! Point five! Si Zoe. Sige na, point five!
Oo nga, wala tayong picture pa lahat. Basahin mo pa!
Upuan niyo yung live vest para din sa kacaprat.
Apo tayo? Ako.
Guys, hindi na mag-slide.
Tara, Neil! Come here, please.
Oo nga, magagatas nila. Hindi naman pag tayo.
Hindi ako yan. Ako sa likod.
Pinainting.
Are we close enough?
Lapit! Sa harapan,
Tanga, daming ano. Tangin na, yun nakukuha natin, may buhangin din. Ang init, puta. Ha? Pabalik lang tayo sa Hindi yan. Hindi. Ano to, Rio Grande? Sakit yan. Aalunin tayo. Hindi ko nakikita. Ito tayo pabalik sa ano? Parang lumikap. Ang santi. Kaya parang lang. Bisa ko na nga. Sakit sa paa. Uy. Tena, naka-crocs ka kasi. Ako nangitim. Halatang walang nakakadaan dito. Puro lumot.
Yung pouch mo na white. Pouch na white.
Sige, pang sa Jason. Ito.
Alison. Ay, wala si Alison. Galing na magluto yan. Ay ka.
Oh, wait lang. Pre, kailangan flip.
Oh, yung tong. Purog yan. Okay na. Ayun, susunod. Tama na eh.
Slow it down. There's no need for us to rush it. 'Cause we're past the code. So why stay and just repeat it now? Yeah. Oh, we dream about our things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it. 'Cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high time. I can hear the sound, and I know that it's alarming. Yeah. 'Cause time is running out, and we can't just stay and watch it. No. Oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us.